instruction. Hi, my friend. Yeah, fix the rear guard to the motor assembly using the guard lock nut. What is lock nut? Slide the blade to the motor shaft and secure. Faster the fix the rear guard to the motor assembly using the lock nut. What is lock nut? Ito yung siguro yung lock nut. Paano to? So how to ano guys? baka mabasag ko. Baka masira ko lang to punyi. Ay nako. No, I don't know how to use the the plies. I feel ang init na guys. I don't know real or be to watching. I got it. It will be better fixed than the factory. Yeah. Ano ba to? Ang umiikot naman yun. Oh no. Maybe tomorrow I return on. Yes, turn other way. You doing it right. Turn other. Ganun. Still ano eh. I got it guys. Oh my god. Ganun lang pala. It's very easy lang pala guys. Buti na lang. It's easy lang. Oh. Ganun lang pala. Pinahirapan. I like how you teach us how to fix a pan here. Need to ano lang pala guys. To join and bot sa imo. Mali lang pala yung pagkakapit ko. This is my first time, assemble electric fan, guys. Yeah, match the hole. You should make it heavy cleaning pan. YouTuber and electrician, this is. Hi, my friend. Wow, brand new pan, nice. Yes, my friend. It's a sponsor Wet Gems Peguero, my friend. Sponsor of my kind, generous friend. Ay naku guys, tawa tuloy ako sa sarili ko. Tawa ako sa sarili ko kanina. Uy.